Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering evidence so you can test content without assumptions. First, save the original file and copy the source URL. This preserves provenance and timestamps. Next, extract metadata and take screenshots to document visual layout. Make sure to record the claimed author and publication context because motive and platform patterns matter. Once done, you'll be ready to apply automated checks and human review. Keeping raw artifacts prevents accidental alteration and strengthens any later conclusion. You now perform analysis combining tools and human judgment. Run at least 2 different AI detection services and compare outputs to avoid single-tool bias. Disagreement is informative. Then scan for stylistic signals, unnatural repetition, overly fluent phrasing, inconsistent token rarity, because models tend to prefer safe, generic wording. Also verify factual claims and quoted sources against original references. If facts are fabricated or citations are mismatched, that increases the likelihood. You complete the process by synthesizing all evidence into a clear determination. Combine metadata, detector scores, and your stylistic review, then assign a confidence level and document each step so others can reproduce your result. If you can, contact the claimed author for corroboration before taking action. If the signal is ambiguous, escalate to an expert linguist or forensic analyst. Make sure to preserve original files. If something goes wrong, having raw data enables deeper technical troubleshooting and potential reanalysis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.